Forest Park, and we're going to Otter Hole and the Chikahoki Falls.
Where apparently a whole herd of zebras are living in. And we are here surviving our survival bag full of water, knife, that's really a comb, and we are professional survivalists that are from Australia.
Alright, see you in a bit.
My hat is an animal, and once there was an animal. It had a son that mowed the lawn. The son was an okay guy. They had a pet dragonfly. The dragonfly ran away, but it came back with a story to say. She ran down the forest slopes, the forest of talking trees. They used to sing about the birds and the bees. The bees had declared the war. The sky wasn't big enough for them.